Do you recognize this apartment? Yes, I have finally moved out from my parents' house, and that's why I'm making this video, because otherwise I would never have gotten any of them. You will probably hear a lot of ambulance, cops, all of that shit, because me and my boyfriend that I live with now, we live on the main street where kind of the cop house is close by, so that's why you hear a lot of the cops. So apologize in advance. I have Dexter sleeping with me in the bed. I have fat ass Sarah here because we got him too from my mother, because he would be alone when we moved and took Dexter with us, because obviously Dexter is my dog. So we decided that we take him with us too. I guess I technically have 6 new animals, even though he's not here. 5 new animals. Yes, I have 5 new animals. Excluding him. He is the 6th. The least exotic animal first, which is our adopted cat Hazel. She is around 2 years old. We don't know exact age of her, but she is around 2. And she is just a black house cat. We adopted her, and I will make a video about her story someday. But yeah, we have had her for 3 months now, and she is doing really good. She has started to sleep in the bed with us, and she is a real cuddle butt, but we still haven't been able to cut her claws, so they are really long. So we will take her to the vet so that they can cut them for us, just because she does not like being held, and the claws that sharp does hurt a lot, so we will just let someone else do it for us in the upcoming month when we get our paychecks. So yeah, she is so adorable. I absolutely love her, and Christopher, my boyfriend, adores her. So we are really happy, and she gets along with everyone. She plays a lot with Dexter, and they wrestle a lot, even though she is the boss. But it's really funny to see a cat like 2 kilos being the boss over a dog of 15 kilos. She adores Sorrow, and he can think she's a little bit annoying because she is so on to him, but I really love her personality. She is adorable. That's Hazel, our black witchy cat. And now for the more exotic ones. As you guys know, I recently made my vivarium video. I think it's my last video I've made, and I did it because my old crested gecko Samara sadly passed away this February. We were on a ski trip. My friend watched over the animals, which was his Sorrow and Samara, and she was alive the day we got home, but in the evening when my friend had left and I was just going to check on her, she was sadly gone. It broke my heart, but then I could finally do the vivarium or the bioactive tank, so I made it bioactive and had it up and running. I had it running since the video, and it's doing good. I still need to fix a few things, but I really missed having Samara and didn't feel good without her. I still don't like she's gone because we have no idea why she did pass, but I kept her ashes, and she was burned with her favorite hide ever, which was her coconut. I wrote in a Facebook group for crested geckos that I was looking for a Dalmatian, which is a trait, and I didn't care if it was a male or a female, a young one or an older one. I just didn't care. I just wanted a crested gecko with the trait Dalmatian, preferably a super. And a guy reached out to me and said that he had a male crested gecko patternless Dalmatian. I think he would actually be considered a super Dalmatian, I'm not sure, I haven't counted the dots on him, that was 4 years old. He doesn't know exact date when he was born or hatched, I guess you can say. Yeah, hi Hazel. He is so beautiful. He's like a cream color and almost grayish when he is fired down, and as fired up he gets more of his yellowy color. He's really pretty. So I got Ace, he's called ECE, and he is such a different gecko from Samara. Samara loved her coconut, she almost never left it. Ace is all over the place. He is such a fun gecko to own and to watch, observe. He does not like being handled, so I've only handled him like 3 times in his life. The first time was when I got him and needed to put him inside the enclosure. The second time was when he had stuck shed on his toes and I needed to remove that, and the third time was when we moved. I've never handled him more than those 3 occasions, and he is doing really good. The only thing is that he has a quirk, but he does not want to eat unless I feed him with a spoon. So I need to feed him with a spoon every other night so he eats. I will do a care video on him, and I'm sorry that the footage of him is really not that good, but he was asleep when I filmed it, and yeah. But he is a really fun gecko. I am so happy to have him. I got Ezio, and yes, he's named after the Assassin's Creed character. I love those games, so that's why he's named after him. He is a ball python and he is from the banana morph. I got him from a really crappy person. Among with my other ball python, I have 2. When I got him, he had blood mites, and those are awful to get away. And my other ball python had that too, but she had also a respiratory infection. Ezio is a male and he's 2 years old. I don't know his real breeder because the person I got him from gave me a fake he faked his papers basically, so I don't have much information about him at all, and I'm sorry that he is not as bright as usual. He was going into shed very early stages of it, so he is a little bit more dulled than he is, but he is just a banana ball python and I absolutely love him. Bananas are one of my favorites ever. I would love to get like all kinds of banana combinations because I think they are so beautiful. He's a sweetheart. Whenever people are coming over and are scared of snakes, he is the one I take out and show people because he is so calm and just docile and like the perfect snake to begin with. That is Ezio the banana, and my female, I have legit 2 females in my house. The rest of them is boys. I don't know if it's a curse, but I have mostly boys. But I'm fine with it, I love them all. This is Sephira, and she is named after a character in Bones, which is a TV series that I absolutely love. I've watched it twice and I will probably do it one more time soon. It was an episode with witches, Wicca, and I am Wicca, and I really loved the reference, so I named her Sephira after the character that died. Sephira is a spinner blast, which means she has spider in her. She does have wobblehead syndrome, and I would classify it as kind of a medium stage. She is not terrible, but she is not really a little bit either. But she lives a really happy snake life either way, so I'm really happy about that. And she is beautiful, just stunning. I love her green eyes. They are the most precious thing ever, and her little face, I love her. She is 1 year old, and like I said before, she was the one that had both blood mites and the respiratory infection, but I got that under control. I fixed it, She did not eat for a while as well, so I put her in a really tiny box and she started eating, and then I moved her back into her normal box. I am thinking if I'm gonna breed Ezio and Saphira. I'm not 100% sure yet. Obviously neither of them are adult sizes, so I can't really do that anyways right now, but I'm thinking about it. We will see. I will not turn into a breeder, at least. I think I would only do it on a hobby level. And the last and the newest and the cutest, in my opinion, because he's so tiny, is my he's probably 2 months old now, around 2 months old Mexican black king snake, Rumpelstiltskin. He is so tiny and so cute and so youthful. He is very explorative. He loves to just roam around in his box. He's all over the place, and it's really fun to see him interact with his surroundings instead of just ball pythons just kind of just lying there. But Rumpelstiltskin is really active. I call him Rumpel for short because his name is really long. The name comes from 2 places. The original story of Rumpelstiltskin and the series Once Upon a Time has Rumpelstiltskin in it, and it is kind of the same character, but it's like a villain, and since he is a black snake, it was like, he is adorable either way. I can't wait until he grows and get really big and is beautiful, even though he is beautiful now too. He has a lot of yellow in him right now. I'm hoping that he will, when he grows, it will fade away more and more. Obviously he will get, for the most part, just solid black, but I wish that he completely will be that, because I think it's prettier. But I will love him either way. He is a great eater. He's always eating good for me. I just think he's adorable, and I can't stop getting snakes because snakes are awesome. That is all my 5 new animals. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!